Doctors, nurses, carers and paramedics around the world are facing unprecedented challenges in overstretched health facilities with no end in sight as the COVID-19 pandemic continues to create havoc. Fiji is no different. The virus, an invisible enemy, and the task to combat it is harder. In tonight's Successful Fijian, we spoke with staff nurse Angela Tokede, who is trying to balance work, staying safe, and her family.
Angela Tokede is amongst the thousands of frontliners putting the hard yards to combat the highly contagious Delta variant.
There are times that we are working with no resources or lack of resources, but we manage. We are able to manage by communicating, by supporting each other.
The 53-year-old nurse, who also tested positive for the virus, says everyone fighting in the front is looking out for one another.
If one falls sick or something like that, we always stand by them. We'll go and do their shift for them. It's not something that, say, oh no, why should I do this? No, that's the other. No, we're not.
Tokede says what's worse was losing 2 health workers, but this only made them strong.
A couple of weeks ago, we lost 2 of our frontliners. That sort of moved us, and we kept on encouraging everyone, and they were mothers. Encouraging everyone, we're trying to say to be strong and be strong.
The mother of 2 says she is successfully performing her duty during this outbreak due to family support.
It's quite hectic, where you have to, especially when you're tired from work, and then we are mothers. You can't deny the chores at home. And yes, if you have a good family, a very supportive family, a good husband, which I'm so blessed with, yes, I think you can always work yourself around it.
The Namalata woman shed tears in thanking those from other stakeholders who are assisting during these trying times. Tokede can only hope that the war against COVID-19 is over soon and life returns to normal. Apinisong Grandobu, FBC News.